Good morning, students. I am Smina Alam, teacher GHS Novangabra. I hope you are fine. Class 10th English textbook की poem My Mother at 66 हम पढ़ेंगे, written by Kamala Das. जो Kamala Das was born in Malpur, Kerala, 1934-2009. She is recognized as one of the India's foremost poets. Her works are known for their originality and the indigenous flavor of the soil. Kamala Das has published many novels and short stories in English and Malayalam. Some of her works in English include the novel Alphabet of Lust (1977), a collection of short stories. Kamala Das embraced Islam in 1999 and since then was Soraya, but later she reverted again and she died in 2009. She is a sensitive writer who has captured relationship in lyrical idioms. My Mother at 66 is such an example. जो ये poem है My Mother at 66, My Mother at 66 is a short poem without a full stop. The poem is like a long sentence punctuated by commas but overflowing with thought process. The poet uses many poetic devices to put across her ideas. The poem revolves around the theme of aging and fear that adheres to its loss and separation. It is a sentimental account of the mother's approaching death through the lens of a daughter. The daughter is deeply disturbed with the thought of amazing life without her mother. The poet is on her way to the airport, Cochin, with her mother sitting beside her. Her mother look pale, looks pale, which makes the daughter realize about the numbered days of her mother. So let's start the stanza one. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, rose of open mouth, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain that she was old as she looked, but soon but put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the married children spilling out of their homes, but after the airports. So now I will translate these lines into English. The poet recalls the day when she was driving from the parents' home to Cochin, where she was to catch a flight. It was a Friday morning, and her mother was also sitting by her side. She was going to the airport to see off the poet. But when the poet turned to look at her mother, she found her dozing. Her mouth was open, and her face looked very pale, like that of a corpse. A painful thought came to the poet's mind. She realized that her mother had become very old and would not live for long. So next tense, but soon put that thought away and looked out at the young trees, sprinting, married children spilling out of the homes, but after a explanation आ गया इसका. The poet soon drove away from the mind that thought of her mother's pale and aged face. She started looking out at young trees that seemed to be running fast. She looked at the children running out of their house in joy. At last they reached the airport and the poet went through the security check. Now standing a few yards away, she looked at her mother once again. It is to be noted that the poet had not spoken a word to her mother all through the drive, and even now she just looks at her from a distance. Perhaps it is a sad reflection of how indifferent the modern youth have grown towards their aged elders. तो लास्ट स्टैंजा जो हमारा है, wane pale as a late winter's moon, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood fear, but all I said was, see you soon, and all I did was smile and smile and smile. Explanation is that the poet soon drove away from the mind that her mother has been taken away. After the security checkup, the poet looked at her mother and was standing a few yards outside away. The mother looked very pale and weak. Her face looked pale, white like the piece of late winter's moon. The poet felt in her body, an old familiar ache. It was like she used to feel in her childhood when some fear overpowered her. Still, she spoke no word to her mother. Then the only thing she said was, see you soon, Amma. All she did was smile and smile and smile. These lines convey the idea that the youngers do not feel their elders, but they do not communicate it properly. तो मीनिंग ऑफ डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं. पेल मीन्स पीला, पीले हल्के रंग की एक दर्द, और पुट दैट थॉट अवे, उस ख्याल को अपने दिल से निकाल देना। स्प्रिंटिंग मीन्स बहुत तेज़ से दौड़ते हुए। मैरी बहुत ही खुशी। स्पेलिंग बहुत तादाद में बाहर आना। बी साइड्स बगल में, नज़दीक। एशन पीला। क्वैप्स लॉश। तो आई होप एवरीबॉडी हैज़ गॉट इट। तो टुमारो इंशाल्लाह वी विल डिस्कस दिस क्वेश्चन। थैंक्स अ लॉट।